Back with another one. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And watch to the end where I will be giving you a nugget on words of wisdom. And without further ado, let's dive right in. So now I'm updating on Tesla and what I was telling you on the last video. So look, this is what I was explaining why I don't adjust the zones. If you go back and watch the last video, I was explaining to you why I don't adjust the zones. Now look, this was the 4 hour. This the 4 hour, right? We live on Tesla. We live right now on Tesla. So this is the 4 hour. Boom. Okay, look. And now let's drop down to the 1 hour. Boom. Look, now if I would look where the price action tested, right exactly at the level. Now look, right here. If I would have adjusted the zone like this, it maybe would have never got there. You see what I'm saying? It tested right. This is exactly what I was explaining in the last video. So let's go back and readjust the zones. So boom, and that's why. And what I said, I say, why adjust the zone if you're gonna move it anyway? So boom, it's right at the level. Okay, now if it breaks this level, I know that the market is reacting off the 4 hour. Okay, now let's go what I tell you what it was intended to do. Okay, now look, boom, this where we was at yesterday. I say what I tell you. If it break this, just go back and watch the video. If it break this, boom, then where we going? Here. And look what it did. It opened up right here. So technically we missed the move because this was pre-market right here. So we missed the move. So now we just have to wait. And I always remember, you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every day. And one thing I just realized that I heard a couple of people whispering about it, but it didn't grab my attention until I started to see it in real time. Is it'll take at least 2 to 3 days for a play to form. So look at this play right now. It'll take 2 or 3 days for this play to form because you know the market don't trend in a single day. It don't trend in a single day, and most investors, the big dogs, the sharks, as I should say, most investors, they trade off the 1 day, boom, in the 4 hour. But typically the 1 day, because that's the overall with it, and they maybe even go back further. But the 1 day will let you know everything you need to know in the market on currently, you know, that should say currently. So let's go back to the 4 hour. Now look, it's right at this level. It bounced exactly off the level I was just telling you yesterday. I wasn't expecting it to do it, but it did it anyway. So now let's go. Let's give you a rundown. So now what I was telling you, I say if it go up, and what I say, boom, if it breaks this, it's going here. Then I was like, oh, it already went here. So now the next level is here, right here. I know that, made note of it. Boom. Okay. So now we gotta adjust, cause now you always want to pivot. Now look, we going down. We starting a downtrend, and this one thing I noticed too, the A form. Look at this A form. Boom, boom. That's an indication of reversal. Look at that A form. Boom. Look. Boom. Boom. So now we want to sit back and watch it play out, and you don't have to buy anything yet, but just know that we're starting to reverse. Look at the market right now. Look over here. Nothing but red. Nothing but red. And this should be the SQQQ. Exactly, SQQQ. Let's see. Nothing but red on the side. So we know that the market is going down, and what I tell you, sell in May and go away. I've been stressing that to the viewers for all the way into the beginning of May. Since the beginning of May, I've been stressing that to the viewers. So I just want to make note of that, and I just wanted you to see what I was looking at and show you how the market reacts to certain levels. So look, now let's prepare our next entrance, okay? Because now we know, boom, we're going down. Look, watch this. We got, let's start from, I say here, we got the low, the high, the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You listen to it, higher lows and higher high. Then boom, watch this. Equal lows, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal highs. Then watch where this high shift. Low, lower high. Look how it shifts to lower highs. Then lower low, lower high, then lower low. So it's confusing, but once you get the rhythm of it, you'll grasp of what I'm trying to tell you. So take note of that. And let's see something else. Boom. Look what it did. It's exactly at the level I was telling you about. So just take note of that, and I'll be giving you an update on the next video. So if this video gave you some type of insight that you could benefit from, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click the notification bell to make sure, and hit all to make sure you be notified every time I upload a new video, and help this video get at least 10 likes. Until next time, take care.